If you see the wrong key fob warning in your Ram truck, this may be due to a lot of things, and in most cases you will have the issues with the module that communicates with the key fob, whether it's the push-button start car or the older vehicle with the traditional metal key ignition cylinder. But before you dig in this direction, you need to check several other things. First of all, the key fob battery may need to be replaced. When the battery is weak, your car can communicate with the chip inside the key, so the immobilizer will freak out. Door locks may work when you press the button, but the immobilizer may block your car from starting, so this is the cheapest thing you may try first. Then make sure the 12-volt battery is okay in your truck. First, I would check the connections on the battery and also the ground connection from the negative battery terminal to the body. If something is loose or corroded, it requires your attention. Secondly, checking the battery with a load tester is a good idea. A low battery may be the reason why you see the wrong key fob warning sometimes. In older conventional ignition cylinders, there was quite a common problem that prevented the key from being registered in the immobilizer properly. Sometimes you just need to wiggle the key back and forth several times till it catches the signal to avoid calling a tow truck, or disconnect the battery cables for several minutes to reset the system and try again. You should be able to start the car and get it to a repair shop, or just be able to drive further. The problem will not be solved on its own, so ignoring it is not a good idea. Finally, if nothing helps you, there is a pretty common problem with the wireless ignition node module that requires replacement and reprogramming. In this case, it's quite hard to succeed without professional help, so this is not a DIY job for most owners.